So now it's time for our tool number 14, and that is Better CV. So this is how the Better CV website actually looks like. So this website is basically for those people who wants to get hired in companies, who wants to create great resumes or CVs. If you are someone who belongs from a corporate world or who wants to work in a corporate world, this tool is going to help you a lot. This is a magical tool for you to create a resume for yourself to get hired in good companies. So over here on top you can see the only resume builder you will ever need. So over here, the green spot over here that you can see, 48,000, more than 48,800 people created their resume today. So this is the live counting right now. So right now, if you will thumb down the first step to better job, a better resume, only 2% of resume wins, and your will be one of them. So this is what the website actually says. So create it now and with our free resume builder. So this is a completely free tool. You don't have to give anything to this tool as much as I can see. So over here you can see the stats: 48% more likely to get hired and 12% better pay with your next job. So our customers have been hired at Google, DHL, Bookings.com, Spotify, Facebook and Amazon. If you will come down over here, you will see build your job winning resume in 3 simple steps. So there are only 3 simple steps that you need to follow. Step number one is choose a stylish template in a builder. Step number 2 is customize each section, and step number 3 is download your resume in settings. So this is the Trust Pilot review, and over here you will see this website got 4.5 star out of 5. 4.5 ratings. So this over here you will come is why use better CV builder. So over here you then generate with AI. You then even pre-written text and customization. You don't need to do anything much. You then get inspired by AI suggestion. You can even level up your page chat and more. So let's get into this tool and see how this tool actually works. So let's click on or create a new resume, because I am creating a new resume from scratch. You then even improve your resume if you have one. So let's click on the create a new resume. And these are all the templates that you can simply use for your own resume builder. So if you will sum up over here, there are different options, whether you want simple, modern, one column with photo, professional and ATS. So let's choose for modern and see what we are doing to that. So over here you will see there's a lot of modern templates, and let's go for one column and see this is the one column resume. This is how it looks like, and let's choose anything from here, or let's go for a simple one or a professional one. Let's choose a professional one and let's go with this one. So if I want to use this template, I will click on use this template. So how you will make your resume? The question is how you are going to make your resume. I already have a resume, so you just need to upload your resume over here and it will get edited, or you just need to start from scratch. I will start from scratch where that AI will guide me through creating the resume. If you have one, you then simply upload it. So let's click on start from scratch. So now it needs name, it needs job title, desired job title, phone number, email, and if there's any additional information, your country, your city, your address, your post code. So next experience, let's click on over here. So now let's give some other name. So let's give some different name. Tony Taylor. Let's go for this one. Desired job. Let's go for desired job as graphic designer. Let's give a phone number. It says 5522. This is just a demo one. This is not a real phone number or real something. But still, just I want to show you how this tool actually works. Let's give an email. Tony Taylor. Tony Taylor at 776. Tony Taylor at 7.com, something like that. Let's come to the country. Let's give USA. And city, we will give only New York as it was written there. New York. Now this, give an address. 123 Broadway Avenue. So we will write 1234 Broadway Avenue. Now postcode 70012, something like that. Let's save this one. This is a demo name and something. Let's go to the next experience. Your job title, your employer, that means customer name, company name, or location, start date, end date, and the description generate with AI. Enter your job title in order to use the feature. So let's save a junior graphic designer name. Let's save you a company name, XYZ Design. Location San Francisco. Let's save San. Or let's go for San Francisco. Start date. Let's go for Jan. End date. Let's go for June. And generate with AI. So now it's generating with AI. So create eye-catching design that boosted client engagement by 30%. Collaborate with team, deliver project, develop branded materials, execute print design, and enhance marketing campaign. So presented design concept. So click the left facing arrow icon to add bullet points to the description. So let's add all of these things. So on the right hand side, you can see my resume is filled in with this AI tool. So the next thing is tool name, ABC tool. ABC, yes, ABCD. ABC school, location, New York. Let's save the location for New York. And degree, let's save a degree, BA in finance and banking. Let's save BA in design. In designs, start date 17, end date 20. Generate with AI. With all these details is going to generate the description. Graduated with honors in BA, top 10% of the class, completed capstone project. So all the projects and everything, it's given down. I am just showing you how this works. If the details that you are getting, it's really true, then add to your CV. Don't just add false information because it will, you will fall in trouble if you add false information or false skill or false degree. So add only things that you clearly did in your life, whether it's based on degree or skills or the project that you have completed when you were learning or when you were doing some working for other companies, then only add those things. So let's go for next skills. Now let's add more skill level expert presentation skills. So you can add your skills over here if you want. So now, so over here you can see on the right hand side, the name over here, the address, the email, the experience, my job experience, what I know, my education, everything is written over here. And the only thing I have to do is just give the basic information of what I know. So let's go for design is social media post design. Now the second thing is thumbnail designer, thumbnail design. The third thing is AI art design, and more the skills that you have and the level of expertise. Let's save all. Now the next summary. Now it's time to create the summary of all of these things. So I'll show and click on generate with AI. So it's going to generate a summary for me. So it's given over here as a passionate and creative junior graphic designer. I am eager to bring my innovative ideas and fresh perspective to your dynamic team with a strong foundation in design principles and keen eye for details. I am excited to contribute to projects that inspire and engage. So they have created the summary based on all the details that they took from me, the name, my skills, my experience, my job experience, my job details and everything, and they have created a short summary for me. So next we will finalize this. So any language that you know, you can add languages. If you are interested, if you want certifications, award, reference, custom section, you can add your website or social media. You can even add your hobbies and more. So next we will download. We are not going to add anything else more. So your resume is looking great. Download it and start applying. So I'll continue and I can simply download this. Let's do AB spell check. No spelling error detected. You then continue your editing. So there is no spelling error over here. So I can just continue my edit download. So I will click on download PDF. Now the only thing you need to do is just sign up with your Google account or your Apple account and download your PDF. So this was how easy it is to create your resume to create your resume. It just took close to 10 minutes or not even 10 minutes, less than 10 minutes to create your entire resume. So this is the power of AI and this is how you can create your resume. So the only thing I want to say to end this lecture is just after watching this video, head over to this tool, play around with this tool, how it creates your resume. If you are really serious to design a resume for yourself to grab the next big job, then you can literally use this tool. This is one of the most amazing tools when it comes to a resume builder or something. So you can just go ahead with this tool and you will really enjoy this tool. So this was all from this lecture. I will see you in the next one.